Anthropic just dropped Sonnet 4.5 and they are calling it the best coding model in the world. But here's the crazy part. It can, I'm just seeing it out. I'm so excited about it. It can code autonomously for 30 hours straight without taking any break. That's longer than most of us, work in it. So today I'm breaking down everything that you need to know about it and this game-changing AI model. You'll be seeing about the screen here. So if you're new to the channel, then welcome back. This is Aditya. I'm building Shivai and working on myself while working a job. So if you're into AI coding or just want to stay along for 10 years and curve, you're in the right, putting out more blogs. But tech is something that I really love, so I'll keep talking about it. Other than aesthetics, you can check out Instagram for it. So all right, let's talk about what makes Claude Sonnet 4.5 absolute revolutionary, the one that is. So it just released on September 28th and it's just a incremental update that every AI model is doing now. It's a complete game changer. Why I say that? Because based on the benchmark they have shared, 27.2% of SW, that's the golden standard for measuring real world coding ability, is more than GPT. You can see the charts here, and 61.4% on the OSWorld computer use, meaning it can actually use computer like a human. It can work autonomously for 30 hours. That's just too much good thing. I just keep on talking about it. So let's put that into perspective. So previously Claude Opus that was there could only work for 7 hours, and GPT-5 codex maybe 10 hours top as of now. We are talking about 300-400% improvement in the substantial performance. That's huge. So but what actually it means for you as a developer or AI person or a content creator. So one company used Claude Sonnet 4.5 to build a full complete Slack like chat application like that. Some of the testing I'm telling, it can generate over 11,000 lines of code, and it doesn't just write code, it sets up databases, purchase the domain names, and even perform security audit. You do need to check it time to time, don't fully rely on it but still it does that. So it's not just a coding assistant anymore, it's like a full development team that never gets sleep, never gets tired or even get fired, to be honest, and never makes silly mistakes. It does time to time, but it can be managed. Now it excels as full stack development, debugging complex code bases, then security, vulnerability analysis it can do, long-term project planning it can also do, and code reviews and optimization. So let's talk about the competition now. So Sonnet 4.5 versus the GPT-5 codex, the shining model as of now. So it performs 77.2, the Sonnet 4.5 compared to GPT's 70% increment, and Claude's 30 hours, 300% increase, 30 hours autonomous work versus GPT's 10 hours top. It's a big one, 20 hours. That's a lot different. And pricing, again, Claude always has been expensive. So Claude is more expensive as 3 to 15 per million token versus GPT's 1.25 to $10 one. But yeah, you get what you pay for. But here's something very interesting. Multiple developers already are using Claude. It feels more like a coding partner, to be honest. If you have used Claude, you know what I mean. So it's rather than a tool, it's more like a system that is there. It asks better questions and makes fewer assumptions. It reads everything through and then do things, and multiple computers, multi-step projects, and it can write documentation really well, like really well. So, and also the speed difference is top notch. Sonnet's 4.5 completed a coding task in 2 minutes that took GPT codex around 10 minutes to talk about it. So it is there. Let's talk about some practical stuffs now. So what new features that we are actually getting? So we are getting Claude code with checkpoints, like saves your progress at any point. They said it was the most requested feature, and roll back to previous version instantly is also there. And native plus native, they were asking, I told you guys, right? Like native VS Code integration they've been asking, so we get that finally. And then I extended autonomous operation. I talked about it a lot, so I'll not talk it again. And it can enhance the computer users. You can ask it out, it can actually navigate your browser, fill out forms, create spreadsheet, interact with any software and all those things. And they have released the Claude Agent SDK, so you can build your own AI agents on top of it. That the same Anthropic that uses internally, that thing they have released. So it's perfect for autonoming and automating the workflows that are there. And it's available for 5 days. 2 days to the max users as of now. So this question will come. So who is Claude Sonnet 4.5 actually for? So it's perfect for, professional developers with complex projects and startups that need rapid prototyping, and then companies doing code reviews and security audits is also very beneficial, and anyone building AI agents or autonomous tasks, it's really helpful. And students who are learning to code, of course, it's the best model there is, as they say, not my words, even though I do agree to it little bit. So it's not ideal for the people who are like simple one question coding questions people. Like GPT is more than cost efficient for it, and basic homework work, if you need, it's not worth it to get it. And if you are on a tight budget, GPT is better. So Anthropic also release a fully detailed system card PDF, or their documentation you can also read. So one thing that I noticed while reading it is that they have positioned it as the most aligned model yet. So keys improvements, I'll tell you, like better resistant to prompt injection attacks and reduce telling you what you want to hear. That thing has been an issue with GPT a lot, and Claude also. So it won't tell you what you need to hear, it will tell you what you should hear. That's a good thing, to be honest. And it also has enhanced security for enterprise use now, and it has AI safety level 3 protection now, which is really good. So as the matter of fact, I told you, like, the models are getting really powerful, more safer now, and you don't want an AI that can code for 30 hours to go just do anything. So that's good. You can check those things out and all. And to be honest, the complete background you already saw, but if you are serious about coding with AI, this is the best option right now. Until something else will release, till then it is the best option, I'll say. And the 30 hours, I know I have talked about it a lot, but it's revolutionary, really. So link will be in description. And if, as you know, I do mentorship and my startup is all about education and all those things, if you want any help, links are in description for the resource pack. If you want one-on-one mentorship, that is also there. And the starter pack also is there if you want to learn how to get into AI and different jobs and how to learn. Everything is in description, you can check it out. So see you in the next video. I know I've been just eyeballing Claude for a long time, that's why I'm seeing on the laptop a lot. Don't mind it. So keep coding, and if you build something interesting, or even if you are doing anything, just ping me on Instagram. It's Tripathi Aditya Prakash ka P. So like P, Tripathi Aditya P is there, the handle. You can check it out in the description. Do let me know, and let's connect and build things. And I'll see you guys in the next one.